Choosing the right EV charger for a project isn't always simple. That's exactly why we built this configurator. You start by selecting the type of site. Choose the charger category that fits your performance needs. And then, the real customization begins. Set the power level that matches your project. Define the number of charging points. Select the connector types that best fit your market. Adjust the cable length to match the physical layout. Configure how the charger connects: Ethernet, cellular, or additional networking components. Choose the software setup that integrates seamlessly with your back end. Finally, refine the solution with additional options. And just like that, in a few guided steps, you've built a charging solution tailored to your project.